Hi nail friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So today we are going to be using some blooming gel and water decals, so let's get right into the video. I have a layer of builder gel on my nails and I'm just applying my own peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last, you should skip this step. When the peel-off base coat dries, I start my dip application. On the pinky nail, I'm using Totally Dipp'd Milky White dip powder. I did about 4 layers of that. I actually built up the nails with the colors. I did not encapsulate with clear dip powder. Moving on to the ring finger, I did the same. If you'd like to purchase from Totally Dipp'd, you can use my code to get 15% off. It will be listed in the description below. On the middle finger, I'm using Modelones black acrylic powder and I did 3 layers of that. I also have a discount code if you'd like to purchase anything from Modelones. It will be in the description below as well. Next, I'm doing the same on my index and thumbnail. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. After filing, I applied my Modelones shiny gel top coat to the index, middle and thumbnail, and I applied the matte top coat for the ring and the pinky nail and cured for 30 seconds. The reason I applied the matte top coat to the pinky and ring nail is because the blooming gel applies better on matte nails. These are the magic blooming gel I'll be using today. So I just applied the colors at random to my pinky and ring finger, and I'm trying to be very careful not to knock down any of the bottles while doing it. Then I waited for the nails to dry. By the way, I saw this design on YouTube a while back. I can't remember who, but I loved it so much I had to try it. Next, I top coated the nails with shiny top coat and cured for 30 seconds. So these are the water decals I'll be using, so I just cut out the ones I want. Then I removed the clear film. Then I cut the decal in half. Then I placed them in water for about 5 seconds, then removed the white backing and placed it on my nail. So I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing and I'll be back shortly. Now I applied my Modelones gel top coat to the nails again and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of this design. It's really pretty. Although it gave me a little stress, it was worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!